Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's going to be a sultry Valentine's Day look. So I'm not going to talk too much, I'm just going to get into the video. Hope you guys enjoy it. It's going to be quite easy to do, I think, but I think this will be nice if you're staying at home and you're going to do like a Zoom date, or if you're going to do like dinner, if you live with your boyfriend, you're going to do dinner, or your husband. And yeah, you just want to look cute. Or if you're going to do Valentine's Day and you live with girls, or you're just hanging out with your girls on Valentine's Day and you're all getting dressed up, this would be a nice look as well. So if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. And yeah, let's get to the video. So as you can see, I've got hyperpigmentation. I say it all the time. I am currently using a product that is helping with hyperpigmentation. That's why I look like 50 Shades of Black right now. So if you know or you don't know, I do not wear foundation anymore. I've given it like a break this lockdown period, and I'm trying to just appreciate my skin and not cake it. I've been using tinted moisturizers and things like this. This is actually from NYX. It's the Tinted Skin Veil. So I'm going to be using this. And yeah, let's get started. I prepped and primed my skin already. So yeah, let's go. So I'm going to use this first. I don't use a primer, but this Tinted Skin Veil is epic. I absolutely love the coverage. I've tried to not cake on too much makeup nowadays and literally just, I don't know, I don't like the look of really heavy foundation. Eyes, I don't really mind, like they can do what they do, but honestly, I want to kind of appreciate my skin and not overdo it. I cannot wait for Valentine's Day. Like, Valentine's Day is literally one of my favorite. Is it a holiday? Yeah, it's one of my favorite holidays in the whole year. I don't know why. Like, if you know that about me, you know I love Valentine's. I love pink stuff. I love red stuff. I love cakes. I remember my best friend actually bought me in school, we were each other's like Galentines, and she bought me a red velvet cake, and that was the first time I ever tried red velvet, and ever since then, Valentine's Day has been it. And in my family, just, we always do cute stuff on Valentine's Day. But yeah, I absolutely love it. I think it's nice if you've got a boyfriend. If you haven't got a boyfriend, you've got family, you've got friends, you've got sisters, you've got, you know, people around you that you love. I think it's a really nice holiday. I love all the like love hearts and the pink pajamas, the candy and the flowers, the chocolates. Oh my gosh, I'm all about it. That's literally my base done. Like, I'm not going to put on any more than that. It might look a bit, you know, but let's put some concealer on. So I'm going to use this one from ELF, and it's literally quite orange but it kind of corrects my skin. Use the same brush and I just pop it underneath my eyes. Let me know what you guys are doing on Valentine's Day in the comments box. Let me know what you guys are getting up to, especially if you're not in the UK and you're lucky enough to have the privilege of being able to go out. Lucky you guys. Please let me know what you guys are doing. Or if you are in the UK and you aren't getting up to something cute, give me some ideas, because I need some ideas really. I need to know what to do. Okay, so I've just done my brows off camera. I'm going to start on the eyes. So I am actually going to use a base for this. So I'm just going to use my LA Girl. I'm just going to use that as a base. I want this look, as you guys know, I'm all about the quickness. Still to look flawless, but nice and quick. I'm just going to pack a bit of powder on. It's from Cover FX. I will put everything in the description box, what I'm using. Right, let's get into the eyes. So I'm going to use the Queen of Glow palette. I'm going to use this palette here. Yeah, so it's going to be brown on the outside and then gold champagne in the middle. So to start with, I'm just going to use my bronzer from Charlotte Tilbury, this large one here. And I'm just going to pop it in my crease to act as a transition colour, and it's quite red. So it works really nicely, like, like a transitional shade. Then I'm just gonna pop on this brown shade here, and I'm just going to pop it in the outer part. If you're lighter than me, this will actually show up a bit stronger, but I like it how it is. And then in the inner bit, we're gonna do like a spotlight basically. So I'm gonna do the inner and the outer. Outer. I need something a little bit more dark. I'll get it in a minute, but we'll start with this shade. I don't want it to be like black though. I want it to be like dark purple. Like an eggplant colour. Then I'm actually going to use this black plum eyeshadow. This colour is dark. And it's going to do exactly what I need it to do. It looks a bit weird, but just get a clean blender and then blend it all out. You can even use any of these shades in the center. I'm thinking of using enhanced shade. Okay, you can wet your brush for this, but I'm not going to. And I'm just gonna pack it in the middle like so. So it's a spotlight that we're doing, so you can see obviously. It's a spotlight. You can turn it down if you like. It doesn't have to be really bright, but it's a spotlight, so you kind of want to see it. Yeah, but just adjust it to your eye shape. If my eyes are like almond shape, I think it does kind of look a bit strange with almond eyes, unless you've got like a flick and a lot of mascara on, or lashes. If your eyes are like round, like my younger sister, they will look perfect. Now we're going to use a flick. So we're going to do a black flick, not a chunky one. Now, just to add a little bit more pizzazz, because it's Valentine's Day and you want to make, you know, you want to be a bit extra, just get like any glitter or any loose pigment you have. Should really do it before, but I'm going to do it after. I'm just going to press it on top. Just pop it on top. So add a bit of flex. If you feel like the lines are too harsh, just roughly go back in and then just get your eggplant shade again or your purple and just soften the lines. So I'm just going to use a tiny bit of concealer to brighten the eyes, and then we're almost done. I tried to make my tutorials not too crazy and not too like 57 different eyeshadows. Make sure you've got some good brushes though, because brushes will just make your life so much easier. Okay, and now I'm just going to set my under eyes with some powder. Also, working out has really helped me as well. I actually do an African dance workout because it's fun. I think it's dance. I've always loved to dance, so dancing and working out doesn't feel so bad. You do a dance workout, it doesn't feel as much. It feels more fun and you lose a lot of calories dancing, so thank me later. You don't have to be a dancer to be able to do it. Like, if you can walk, you can dance. So yeah, I'm just gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer now and then put my lip on. I'm not gonna do too much with the skin because the eyes, I want to be the focus point. And this I kind of use as a bronze blush because it's quite red. The good thing about this look is that it looks like you've got foundation on. You can swap out the tinted moisturizer thing for a foundation. Pencil, it's going to be Nightmoth. And my lip is going to be Revlon lipstick in Bare Affair. a gloss on top because it's looking a little bit light. There we go. I'm gonna spray my face and then for the hair. The trick is, I've literally just taken my hair out, but I'm gonna show you how I do my hair. So it's literally just water. You can get a spray bottle, but I'm just gonna use some water. Wet your hair like so. And then just get a mousse. This one is from Got2b. It's a twisted curling mousse. And this will help to hold your curls. It will help just to keep everything, you know. Make sure the top is always flat though. You don't want it to be like a tower. But it's a messy look. You don't want it to look too, you know. And then just keep scrunching it. The key is to scrunch. Mousse and water is the tricks, but mousse will really help it to, you know, stay kind of like this. I'm gonna add some lashes and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you liked it. I hope it was easy to create. I really enjoy filming makeup videos, so if you do want to see me do more looks, please let me know and I will definitely film them for you guys. But yeah, I think this is quite a nice, approachable, not like gaudy look. Love it with the hair. I think the hair just really plays on the look and it looks effortless chic. Yeah, I'm gonna go now, probably just wipe it all off and watch Netflix. But yeah, thanks again for watching and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Love you and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.